everyone. So I am at New York Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, and I'm here to give you guys a room tour. We got 2 free nights here by playing the by playing the MyVegas apps, and it's really exciting. We got a strip view, so let's check out the room. And then here's Steve, and here's Daniel. So they're gonna be in this room tour video. But let's start off with the bathroom. I just got the plants that look like trash, but we have a hair dryer in here. We have this mirror here that has an on and off switch back here. Oh wait, there we go. You have to turn it. There it is. You got body lotion, hand soap, the sink. You got tissues, cups and ice bucket. Telling you to conserve, save the planet. Painting here. And we have the shower. That's how you turn it on. Soaps here. Shower head. Place to hang your towels. Come out here, you have a full-size mirror. Take your cute photos in, look at your outfits. This just looks like a chair. Is this what this is? This is a weird looking chair. Then we have 2 queen beds. Bunch of paintings of leaves. Here's the other queen bed. We have a desk with your phone. That's all Daniel's stuff there. We have this lamp, which has, it looks like a USB if you want to charge your phone. And of course, because of COVID, they have notes basically saying, hey, we cleaned everything. We wiped down the remote. And it comes, they give you this free bag. And I've noticed they've been doing this at all the resorts. Or I'm sorry, hotels. I guess I'm used to calling them resorts at Disney. But it comes with mask. And let's see what this one is. Hand sanitizer. So I know at the other hotels that we stayed at, like the Bellagio and MGM Grand, they gave us not disposable masks, actually masks with the hotel names on them, bottle openers, and a few other things along with the hand sanitizer. If you pull the chair out here at the desk, this opens up. Oh, and then there's Daniel hanging up his clothes. So this room does have, looks like 2 closets. There is the iron and ironing board also on his side. Let's see what's on this side. So there is a safe in the middle. Some more room down there. So this one has a shelf in the middle, whereas the other side does not. We have the TV, 3 drawers. They're pretty deep. Oh, and that's cool. They come with a bag to put your dirty clothes in to take home. Always love when they do that. Let's see what this is. Dry cleaning. Okay, cool. Didn't know they had that option here. Then we have a little table, chair, another lamp. Control the temperature in the room. So this is the part I am most excited for. I've never had a strip view while staying in Las Vegas, so let's see what this looks like. Wow, look how pretty! There's Excalibur over there. So this road right here is the strip. And I know you guys can't really tell right now because it's nighttime, but there is the roller coaster. I'm sure that's so fun to watch during the day. Alright guys, if you like this room tour, make sure to like it. And if you're interested in more Las Vegas videos, I am posting more room tours, vlogs, live streams. I also do mainly Disney and Universal videos. So subscribe if you're into that. And I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.